I have some amazing pocket knives. First, there's the super thin compact pocket knife by Zootility. Featuring a sleek, replaceable stainless steel blade and a comfortable wood handle, this knife is perfect for outdoor adventures and handy for indoor tasks. It functions as a bottle opener, twist top opener, can tab opener, and more. At just $40, it's not as expensive as other knives. Another compact knife option is the CRKT Compano. This foldable knife, made of stainless steel, looks very stylish with its elegant black stonewash handle with bronze accents. The classic slip joint lock secures the knife in both open and closed positions. With a tiny 1.5-inch blade, it's another EDC you can attach to your keychain, and at just $40, it's also on the lower end when it comes to pricing. Then there's also the CRKT Provoke Compact. This $170 foldable knife introduces a unique innovation with its kinematic deployment, allowing the blade to be released with just the push of a thumb. It features a D2 blade steel known for excellent edge retention and an aluminum handle that combines strength with minimal weight. The low-profile pocket clip keeps it securely in place and out of sight. Overall, people love the knife's quality, craftsmanship, and engineering. They particularly like the pocket clip system, saying it clips on and conceals nicely. However, some have reported issues with the closure, mentioning it doesn't close properly and can open too easily, which could be dangerous. But if what you need is some sharpening for your tools, then the Blackwork Sharp Portable Pivot Knife Sharpener might be a good addition to your list of EDCs. At just $10, this compact tool is perfect for keeping your knives in top condition wherever you go. The ceramic hone allows for quick and easy resharpening with just a few passes, while the diamond plate is great for sharpening fishhooks and a variety of edge tools. In addition to a saw, you'll definitely need an axe. This tool might also be helpful when you need any other typical camping tool, a pry bar, a hammer, a nail puller, a hex wrench, or a bottle and can opener. There's also a built-in 6-inch saw to cut logs. Overall, the tool is said to perform up to 30 functions, which is impressive for such a compact size. If you need to build a campfire or construct a shelter for overnight stays, a saw is indispensable. This pocket saw looks more like a bicycle chain, but it'll help you do all the jobs. It measures 36 inches in length and lets you cut logs up to 18 inches in diameter. It's quite easy to use on your own or with a friend. Finally, the maintenance is very simple. You need to sharpen it 2 to 3 times a year with a file. This ferro rod fire starter will help you start a fire in just seconds, fluff the paraffin wax hemp rope, strike with flint and steel, and ignite your campfire. With over 3 hours of continuous burn time, it serves as a reliable lighter and torch. Wind and waterproof, this fire starter works in any weather, ensuring a flame even in rain and wind. Easily control the flame by adjusting the rope length or retracting the wick to extinguish. To start a fire, you should also consider this kit that includes a magnesium fire starter stick and a striker, which together are said to produce up to 15,000 intense sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. To put it simply, they'll ignite various tinder in any weather. In addition, there's also a compass and a whistle as a backup plan. Hang this kit on your belt or backpack. Some emergencies might require a rope. This tumbler-like item stores 120 feet of rope that can handle loads of up to 1,100 pounds. Thanks to the flat-braided nylon the rope is made of, it's ready to tackle even the most difficult tasks. Need to make a knot? Follow the guide on the canister. Need a shorter length? Use the integrated cutter to cut a piece of rope to any length with just one hand. And if you run out, don't worry. Simply get a new spool of rope and place it into the tumbler. No, it's not a bracelet. It's a buildable multi-tool that can perform a lot of functions. Need a gear tie? Check. Adjustable bungee cord? You got it. How about a utility bracelet or a flexible carabiner? It's got your back. Just add a couple of studs. And that's just scratching the surface. It can even transform into a rechargeable glow stick. Not to mention, you can use it as a bottle holder. Despite the look, this beast can hold up to 70 pounds and the glow tools can handle up to 50 pounds. It's built to last through all your adventures and challenges. And when you're not creating some awesome tool configuration, it doubles as an epic fidget toy. Stuck in the snow or dirt? This shovel is designed to clean your car and the road, even in the harshest conditions. The dual handle makes it easier to remove snow and dirt from your doors, windows, or the area around your car. The soft rubber wings quickly push snow without leaving any scratches, and if there's ice underneath, the wide blade turns this tool into a perfect scraper. The shovel's compact, making it easy to store in various places. Despite its size, it's extremely durable. You can even use it to help free your car from snow and mud. Plus, the built-in reflectors ensure you're always visible to other drivers.